Take a moment to think, how often do we pause before speaking our words? Do we realize that every word we say is like a tiny seed we plant in the soil of our consciousness? In this short story and reflection, I want to share with you how important the words we choose are and how they can shape our reality. As children, we may not have thought about how powerful words can be. But over time, we realize that they are not just sounds, they are energy, vibration, a program that sets the rhythm of our lives. If we constantly tell ourselves, I can't, I don't deserve it, or nothing works, we are literally creating that world around us. And that is exactly why we must be careful with the words we choose. Believe it or not, words can change our destiny. Imagine having the opportunity to rewrite your inner script simply by choosing to speak differently. Instead of saying, I am a failure, say, I am learning, I am growing. That small shift in language can change how you perceive yourself and the world around you. This tiny choice holds immense power because our thoughts and words gradually become our reality. A manicure can be not just a part of our appearance, but also a powerful tool for expressing our thoughts and attitude towards life. Nail design can carry symbolism, reflecting our emotions and intentions. For example, if you want to attract positive energy and inspiration, you can choose a manicure with motivating words written on your nails. Gentle messages like success, faith, love, or strength can remind you of your goals every day. The airbrush technique in manicure also allows for the creation of beautiful, smooth gradients and expressive designs that highlight your mood and style. Imagine an elegant background with delicate inscriptions or abstract shapes symbolizing harmony and balance. A manicure is not just a cosmetic procedure, it is a way to express yourself and send your message to the world. I'm thinking of a teacher I know who once gave his students an assignment to write down every word they used when describing themselves. Would you believe that many of those words were filled with negativity? The students realized that they often told themselves things like I'm not good enough, I can't do it, or I will never succeed. And that was a sign that they needed to start speaking more consciously, more lovingly, and with respect for themselves. In the same way, we can use nail design to reinforce the positive message we want to carry with us. The colors we choose also matter. Soft pastel shades can symbolize calmness and new beginnings, while bold, vibrant colors exude confidence and passion. If you want to bring a little magic into your daily life, you can choose a manicure with inspiring words written on it, reminding you of the power of your thoughts and desires. Because, words don't just describe our state, they create it. When we use positive, supportive expressions, we not only change the way we feel, but also the way others see us. Words have the power to heal and inspire. A sincere compliment, a word of gratitude, or encouragement, all of these can work wonders in our lives and in the lives of those around us. But how does this happen? How can our words transform reality? Imagine that the universe is a mirror. Everything we think and say reflects back to us. If we constantly focus on the negative, our world becomes filled with shadows and limitations. On the other hand, when we choose to speak about beauty, opportunities, and success, we start seeing more of what we desire. And this isn't just magic, it's the law of attraction. which works even when we don't realize it. So next time you choose your manicure, think about the message you want to carry with you. It can be written on your nails as a small motto to motivate you every day. The art of manicure is not just about beauty, it is also about the power of personal expression. Inspiring words, delicately written on your nails, can be your secret source of energy and confidence. That's why you should be mindful not only of the words you speak but also of the ones you carry with you, even on your nails. Because every word matters, and when we keep it close, it becomes a part of our reality.